Hello, guys. Welcome
So,
to the fourth.
it's good that you can't
Fourth.
see me on camera because I have no shirt on right now.
Yeah, he has no shirt on.
Well, not like any other YouTubers do that on their YouTube videos,
Yeah.
but they don't go like fully naked.
Yeah, he just has his shirt off because it's like really hot in the room or something.
Yeah. I'm just getting some oxide daisies.
The reason why I don't have anything in my 2 slots of inventory down there is because they're kind of useless.
Dude, I'm getting some flowers.
Nice.
They're really pretty. Ooh, I found some really pretty flowers.
Nice.
They're over here. Look at that. It's a pretty one.
So I just looked over onto his
Ooh,
screen.
I got a lot of rose bushes.
I just looked onto his screen and like those are some beautiful flowers.
That's a pretty bush. Okay, I'm teleporting back. Okay, I got a lot of flowers. I got 6 rose bushes.
Put them near the shrine
In memory.
of somebody.
In memory. Hey, guys, make sure to subscribe. We already have 10 views on our last video that we made yesterday. And so what we want you, because we're like new to this YouTuber thing.
Yeah.
But we want you to subscribe because we're going to try to get either the silver play button or the golden play button.
Let's at least try and hit like...
That's like 10,000 likes.
Like, well, no, it's like subscribers.
Yeah, we should get a lot of subscribers. Just please help us do that. We're new to this. You don't have to if you don't want to. We're just recommending. Please. Here's the shrine. Oh!
My pickaxe is gonna break like any second now.
I'm gonna make this the front of it. Front of that house.
My pickaxe broke. Sorry if we don't feel like as like.
Oh look!
Bro.
The rose bushes have faces.
No, they just look like that because.
Look at the front.
Those aren't faces.
No, look at this. Come back here and look at it.
That's not a face. It's just
it looks like a face.
It's just a texture overlapping.
Look at how pretty it looks.
Yeah.
We have a nice walk in and put this little oxide piece.
Ow.
That was your fault.
Yes.
What'd you say?
Bro, I'm trying to create something.
I got 13 iron.
I can make some ladders. I actually wanted some ladders.
I'm actually gonna craft some iron ingots.
Okay.
I'm crafting some iron ingots right now.
Or stone pickaxe.
Get some more coal.
That is not a stone pickaxe.
I'm gonna go chop down some trees. I'll be right back.
Okay.
There's no trees now. Spider! Hey, go away, you Medusa-looking beast.
It's probably Medusa.
No, Medusa has a body.
Right. But, like, maybe she's just in the form of a spider.
Guys, I'm really... Oh my gosh! Creeper just blew up.
Another creeper?
I got it away from her.
Nice.
See, it was right here.
Yeah.
So, some cobblestone. I can't get it though. I'm gonna go see how many iron ingots are done.
Look.
Yay, ladder!
You can see here. Now, oh wait, Minotaur!
Yes, dude!
What?
We're about to have armor.
Nice! Sorry if you can't see his screen, like...
Yes, look!
Bruh, we can craft some...
I got a helmet. No, it's wooden. I got a helmet. I'm gonna make a helmet for you. Okay. See, you can have the rest of those ingots.
Alright.
See, I have a helmet now. Look at my face. It's covering my, look.
Yeah.
I actually like this mask. Do you like my hacker mask?
Yeah.
We look like sick YouTubers.
Yeah. I'm a lucky walk.
Even though I look like I have a Steve skin, but I don't.
Yeah. He has another skin, it just didn't load correctly, apparently.
And I have a creeper face on the back. It's rainbow. It's really cool. And make sure to download the app. It's called Minecraft Skin Creator. It's a great game. It's not a game, but you create it, and then you can just upload it. It's amazing. Minotaur! You better get out of your house. Our house. You're not welcome here. Sorry. That's. I'm gonna put some glass in here.
I might break
I think
Minecraft.
we need.
Might break Minecraft by using an auto clicker.
Okay, so what I'm about to do is I can make a shield. I made a shield.
Yay.
I'm sorry that I didn't give it to you. Okay, get a shield. Yay. I'm gonna go get do you have a pickaxe?
Do I?
Oh, can you make me a pickaxe?
Pickaxe? Yes.
Iron? You look iron right there.
Alright.
2. Thank you.
Oops, I accidentally picked it up. It's fine.
Thanks. Oh, I can't pick it up. Let me put something in here. Let me put these slabs in here. Drop it.
And now.
Drop it again.
Drop again. I don't have it. You have it.
No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I do.
Okay, he apparently did have it. Okay, so I'm
gonna go get some cobblestone.
I built myself a stone store.
Good. I'm gonna get all this cobblestone right here, and we're gonna have a lot of cobblestone. And trust me, I have a lot of coal. I have 34. It's a lot better.
Nice. We finally upgraded from stone to iron.
And we're gonna have some armor now. Because look at all this. Look how many iron ingots this could be.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
Well,
Look, this whole cave is made out of cobblestone.
Yeah. I think I found a yeah. Yeah, this is not a cave.
Teleport to me if you get lost.
Oh,
How many do I have? 57.
57 pieces of cobblestone.
Dude, that's a lot. In that amount of time?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go put all this in the furnace. Okay? And we're gonna get some armor. Let's craft these.
I only have rotten flesh and raw chicken.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot. We're gonna do. Let's just put all this into there. Okay. This is gonna be all our coal. Okay.
They can always find some more coal.
Yeah. But dude, oh gosh. There's a skeleton at the door.
Dude, teleport to me. No, don't teleport to me. I thought I found a cave.
Where'd you go?
I thought I found a cave, but then...
Oh my gosh, I found a girl minotaur.
What? Wait, that's gotta be a zombie villager.
There's villagers. Ah! Get out of the house! Get out of my house! I'm gonna shoot you with the bow. Back out. Out of my house.
Yeah, well, he's doing that.
Back out.
Rafe, I found a village!
Oh! I'm gonna teleport to you. If we die, we can teleport back there.
And dude, look, it's a raider tower or something.
We're gonna go take down them, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yes. Yay, finally we guys found a village in episode 4.
Wait, this is the abandoned village. That means if there's like good loot or something.
Oh yeah, cause no one's been here in a while. Dude, I'm losing hunger and all the food's at home.
Well, we'll just have to deal with that.
No, it's not. I have one. Dude, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I can't run that fast because I don't have a lot of hunger. Help! Help! Help!
I did help.
Oh, thanks. Let me eat this.
Is this a zombie cat?
Hold on. Don't touch it.
Cave!
Hold on. Wait, let me eat this.
Wait, dude, I found a bed.
Oh, sweet! Break it and bring it with us. Okay?
Alright.
I'm gonna go loot. I'm gonna loot.
I'm gonna
Okay.
also loot.
Pillager Tower. We're gonna have to take that down. They have a lot
Find
of good
another
loot there.
Pegasus. Water.
Dude, I know what they'll have here. They'll have saddles.
Right.
And we can get a horse. I'm gonna go check these other houses, okay? Look out for pillagers. 'Cause I know why there's nobody here. It's abandoned. Cause
Pillagers.
yeah, they raided it.
You know,
So
I
there's
think
probably no loot here. I'm gonna get this bed.
I found another bed. Dude,
Yeah, there's no loot here.
there's gotta be a chest somewhere.
It's because, you know why? You see that pillager tower?
Yeah.
They raid villages and they take
Carrots!
Yes, food, food, food.
I'll get one row.
Potatoes.
Carrots and
This is
potatoes!
And they're cooked. Oh, sweet. Get some food. I'm gonna eat this. 22 and 35 potatoes.
Nice! We can start a farm.
Mm-hmm. It's sad that there's no loot here.
Yeah.
But come on.
Look, it's a cat! Wait, there's also a cave! With iron!
No.
Oh, wait, this is not.
Cool. This is iron.
Let's dig out this.
Look.
What? It's another zombie villager. Let's dig out this first and then
If we
can
find
go.
diamonds in here, we're totally gonna find diamonds in here, okay?
Yeah. If this goes to like Y level 11 or something.
Yes. It's the best place to find diamonds.
Yeah.
But don't go into spectator mode and cheat.
Yeah.
And don't download any mods, because that's just cheating.
Well, I can't.
We need to
because-
find some like redstone or something.
Yeah.
Oh, we need this coal. We're gonna need some coal. Because all the rest of the coals that have the home. Dang it, we can't get up. So do some parkour.
I need some sticks.
I have exactly one stick.
Actually, I can just get some from the trees.
Okay. How do we get back up?
By parkour.
I'm gonna do something.
Wait, there's a larger cave right there.
Okay, let's go raid this pillager tower.
Okay, and then we can go into the caves.
They have crossbows, just gonna warn you. Okay?
But I have something even faster, an auto clicker.
Oh, yeah. Both of our powers together. So, my power and your power with an auto clicker.
Yeah.
Let's go kill him.
Hopefully I don't accidentally kill you.
I'll stay out of the way. I'll kill different ones. Okay, let's go.
There's a Minotaur on fire.
What is zombie cat?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Whoa! They have green tails.
I know.
Come on. It's over here.
Almost fell into the water.
And by the way, they have come on, dude. Oh, dude, I can see them.
Yeah.
Dude, look. They're gonna start shooting at us. Let me shoot one.
Wait, just stay out of their range, or just like stay out of their vision, and then we can like.
I just shot one.
Bruh.
Sorry.
Dude, I think
He's shooting back. They're coming.
I'm gonna release some villager.
Release them. Hurry, hurry.
Wait, these are iron golems.
Yes, exactly. Whoa.
They're like giant minotaurs.
Come on, guys. Come beat them up. Let's attack. Dude, I'm gonna die.
I'll release the others.
Dude, just use your auto clicker.
I'm almost dead though. I died. Now, which direction did I go again?
I don't know, but we didn't set a spawn point. That sucks. Well, it was either one village or it was the house.
Yeah.
Would you rather? Ooh, look, dude. No, let me go in there. How many iron ingots?
Well, we put in stone.
Oh,